got myself into this time. Big ass storm. This is Weathernutzz, everybody. Got about a minute left, so I'm gonna speed this up. Went down to the lakefront, got a few videos of what I thought was a tornado. Still might be, but it probably isn't. But other than that, we have some cool cloud structure at least that I can get out to you. Some low-lying Columbus clouds, I think is what they are called, or if not, cumulus, that are packing a punch. But other than that, this is just rain coming down. We weren't able to get anything really on camera, but we did go down very south, which is the farthest south I've been able to go in a long time, which is good. So here's the back side of that storm that I just ran into. And yes, those do look like tornadoes forming, but they are not. Alright, this is the third storm we're looking at. Oh god, battery's dying. Anywho, got a nice little structure to this. It just formed just a bit north, so it's starting to move south towards us. It's got a good draft to it, apparently, is what they're saying. But yeah, I'm looking for water spouts right now, and these on and off storms keep forming, and there's a big instability off the lake, which is great for tornadoes and water spouts. So that's what we're looking for. Heading over to the lake right now to see if we can see anything.
Golf, and they're not a surf. It's not taken by Hawaiian vacations.
Well, we're standing alone and look at the lottery statistics.
Like we're standing
when they're having the drawing that day.
Why are you having so much trouble focusing? That is cool looking. Now, it's really not this dark because the camera is changing it up a little bit, but it is very ominous. And it just went from day to night in about 20-some minutes, and you can clearly see the front end of this storm. Oh, I can already see the rain ahead. Oh, this is gonna get really bad. These are some strong winds, and here, there's the rain right there. Ooh, this is gonna get very bad in about 2 seconds. Here we go. All right, the rain's right there. I can see it right ahead of us. And here it is. Oh man, here we go. I can't see a thing. Oh man. God. This is hail. We got hail. Came in back from when I was filming. Came in, parked in right in there, and I was sitting out here and I was getting ready to pull my camera out, and all of a sudden a lightning strike hit right there. And It kind of shocked me. It went through this garage door and started closing it. Nobody touched it. And then my heart started racing as if, you know, someone did one of those jumper cables or whatever those things are called on your stomach. 50 feet from hitting me. And it hit right here. Lightning's not going to hit this thing again.